Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the time in the Lorex camera application in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Lorex application on your phone. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside, you just have to tap on the settings icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you are going to see the option of device settings. So when you are inside the device settings, you will be shown the option of time zone. So you need to select the option of time zone and then you need to start changing your country, your region and the correct time zone carefully, because even one wrong region can shift the camera time by 1 to 2 hours. Now you need to also check the DST option, which stands for daylight saving time. If your camera time keeps jumping forward and backward automatically, this setting is usually the reason. So you need to turn the DST on if your region uses daylight saving, or you can also turn it off if it doesn't. Now, if your Lorex system supports it, you can also enable the NTP time synchronization, and this is going to automatically keeps the camera clock synced with the internet time servers so that you don't have to adjust it. Now once you are done with it, you just have to tap on the option of save in order to save the settings, and when you come back here on the home page, you will see the time zone has been changed successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.